Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a crochet, installing a crochet. This is the look I will be achieving here. Most of the video, I would say, like, a small percentage, maybe 40%, is in a time lapse. And it's just me installing the crochet. I did the braids on my TikTok live, so you guys may not see me braid it, but I did do most of the braids on TikTok live, and then I started installing the crochet and I went on YouTube. So there's that. I think I was talking to Mimi and PMC here. I was starting to like the look so far. Like, I really wasn't a blonde person, but as I kept doing it, I was like, wow, I'm starting to really like this. I like the ombre look with the blonde and then the number 4 of the hair color. It's a great look. Okay, my phone died. What, you got, an Android? He got an Android, PMC. Told you about messing with them Androids. Let me stop playing. My natural hair is really curly, and that's why. As you see with the crochet loop, you do have to take the end of the hair after you crochet the first part and loop it through, because the hair is curly on the end, so you do have to do that. If you can see what I'm doing. And that's it. It was so easy to install, like very easy. I just wish I had eyes in the back of my head so that I can really complete the back. And I would advise you guys to do more than 8 packs of hair. Okay, so the amount of hair that I received here was an 8-pack, and I would say just get 10 packs of hair. I actually think I didn't have enough because I did left one row undone. Unknowingly, I thought I was done, but I wasn't. I would say just get 10 packs to be on the safe side. But it is filling. It does fill up really quick, so 8 packs just wasn't enough for my head. Alright guys, we're almost done here, so if you're asleep, wake up. We're almost done. I want to be ready. At least to have some lipstick and eyebrows on. And this lipstick doesn't, I'm gonna show you. It doesn't, this is from Lancome, so this lipstick doesn't, it might it doesn't really come off. So when I wake up in the morning, my lips looks just like this. It doesn't come off. maybe slightly, but like how much is it coming off? You know?